Hear ye, hear ye! Have you heard the latest news? I'm so excited! The king is throwing a party, and everyone's invited. The date is Sunday, March 16th at 10:30 in the morning. Come to Shaare dressed in costume, for it will be very rewarding. We will have a puppet show, a bounce house, carnival games, food, and tons of fun. Bring all your friends, your brothers and sisters. In fact, even your parents can come. We can't wait to see you. We're going to have such a great time. And the best news of all is it doesn't cost a dime.